Anna woke up to the sound of birds singing. It was a sunny morning, and today she felt something exciting might happen. She decided to visit the park. After breakfast, Anna put on her comfortable shoes and left her house. She walked slowly, enjoying the warm sun on her face. The park was not far away. As she walked, she saw children playing and dogs running happily. When Anna got to the park, she found a nice bench to sit on. She looked around and saw an old man feeding pigeons. The birds were friendly, and they gathered around him. Anna smiled. She loved watching animals. Nearby, a little girl was flying a kite. The kite was bright yellow and danced in the blue sky. Anna remembered flying kites with her brother when she was a child. It was always fun. Anna then noticed a small pond. Ducks were swimming and quacking softly. A family was sitting by the pond, having a picnic. They laughed and shared sandwiches. Anna thought it would be nice to have a picnic someday. After sitting for a while, Anna decided to take a walk around the park. She saw beautiful flowers and tall trees. The flowers were red, yellow, and purple. The trees provided cool shade. Anna felt relaxed and happy. As she walked, Anna found a small cafe in the park. She bought a cup of coffee and a chocolate muffin. She sat at a table outside and enjoyed her snack. The coffee was hot and the muffin was sweet. It was just what she needed. While drinking her coffee, Anna saw a young couple playing frisbee. They laughed and chased the frisbee, having fun together. Anna thought they looked very happy. After finishing her coffee, Anna decided it was time to go home. She slowly walked back, feeling grateful for the nice day. The park was a peaceful place, full of life. As Anna left, she thought about coming back again soon. She liked the calm feeling the park gave her. It was a simple day, but it was special. Anna realized that sometimes the best moments are the simple ones. She smiled as she opened her front door. It was a good day, and she felt content. The next morning, Anna woke up again to the sound of birds. She felt that today might be another beautiful day.